In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Dropbox login history. Let's walk through exactly where to find the information Dropbox makes available so you can see which browsers and devices are currently connected to your account. Start by going to dropbox.com and logging into your account. Before we move further, it's important to set the right expectation. Dropbox doesn't provide a permanent line-by-line history of every login you've ever made. Instead, it shows your current active sessions in web browsers and the devices that are linked through the Dropbox app. Think of it as a live snapshot of what's connected right now, not a full archive of past activity. Once you're signed in, look to the corner of the page and click your avatar, which is your profile picture or your initials. In the menu that opens, select Settings. On the Settings page, choose the Security tab. This is where Dropbox collects the information related to sessions and connected devices. Scroll down until you see two sections, web browsers and devices. The web browsers section lists every browser that's currently logged into your Dropbox account. This is helpful if you've signed in on multiple computers or different browsers. To see more details about a specific session, hover over the small eye icon next to an entry. A tooltip will show the IP address associated with that session and the last activity time. That last activity time tells you when that browser last communicated with Dropbox, useful for spotting sessions you might have forgotten about. The IP address can help you recognize the general network the session came from, such as your home or office. If something looks unfamiliar, note it so you can keep an eye on your account's security. Below that, you'll find the Devices section. This lists every computer and phone that has the Dropbox app installed and is currently linked to your account. You'll see the device names and platforms, which makes it easy to confirm whether everything connected is expected. If you recently set up a new computer or phone, it should appear here. If you no longer use a device, it won't remain listed once it's unlinked, since this view is about what's connected now rather than a historical record. That's all there is to it, because Dropbox doesn't keep a permanent login history. The Security tab is the best place to review active web sessions and connected devices at any time. Thanks for watching.